Synastry explained in astrology, the astroking. Synastry, compatibility between two charts. Synastry is the branch of Western astrology that compares two natal charts to understand how two people interact with one another. By examining how one person's planets, houses, and angles connect with another's, astrologers can identify natural harmony, attraction, communication styles, emotional compatibility, and areas that may require greater understanding. Although most often used for romantic relationships, synastry is equally valuable for friendships, family relationships, and professional partnerships. What is synastry? Synastry compares to complete birth charts by overlaying one chart onto the other. Astrologers study the aspects formed between each person's planets, along with the houses those planets occupy in the partner's chart. For example, one person's Venus may form a trine to the other's Mars, creating natural romantic attraction, while Saturn forming a square to the other's Sun may indicate lessons, responsibilities, or challenges that stray. Then maturity over time. Unlike interpreting a single natal chart, synastry creates dozens of cross-chart planetary relationships. These interactions reveal how two personalities influence one another, making synastry one of the most detailed and widely used techniques for understanding relationship dynamics in Western astrology. Key placements to compare. Although every planetary connection contributes to compatibility, certain combinations are especially important. Sun-Moon aspects often describe emotional understanding, while Venus-Mars connections reveal romantic attraction, affection, and physical chemistry. Mercury aspects influence communication, learning styles, and problem-solving, whereas ascendant contacts shape first impressions and everyday interaction. Saturn aspects frequently indicate commitment, responsibility, and long-term potential, while Jupiter brings optimism, encouragement, and shared growth. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto often introduce transformation, inspiration, intensity, or unexpected changes that can profoundly shape a relationship over time. House overlays. Synastry also examines where one person's planets fall within the other person's houses. These house overlays reveal which areas of life are activated by the relationship. For example, a partner's Venus in your 7th house naturally emphasizes partnership and commitment, while their Jupiter in your 9th house may encourage travel, education, and personal growth. House overlays complement planetary aspects by showing where relationship energy is expressed. Two couples may share similar Venus-Mars aspects, yet experience the relationship very differently because those planets activate different houses in each chart. What synastry can, and can't, tell you. Synastry identifies areas of natural compatibility, emotional support, attraction, and potential conflict, but it does not determine whether a relationship will succeed or fail. Even challenging aspects can foster deep personal growth when approached with communication, maturity, and mutual respect, while harmonious aspects still require conscious effort to build lasting trust. Professional astrologers rarely rely on synastry alone. They often combine it with composite charts, planetary transits, progressions, and each person's natal chart to build a more complete understanding of the relationship and its evolving life cycle. Using synastry wisely. The best way to approach synastry is as a tool for understanding rather than judging a relationship. Instead of labeling charts as good or bad, astrologers look for repeating themes that explain how two people naturally communicate, support one another, and navigate differences. No single planetary aspect determines compatibility. A healthy relationship usually reflects a balanced combination of emotional connection, mutual respect, shared values, effective communication, and the willingness of both individuals to grow together over time.